Good morning, children. We had seen that Lancelot no longer wants to serve Shylock and he is going to take up Bassanio as his new master. At that moment, Bassanio enters the scene with Leonardo and other followers. Bassanio is telling something to Leonardo and he says, "You may do so, you may do like that. But let it be so hasted, so fast, that supper, that is dinner, is ready at the farthest by 5 o'clock. You should see that latest by 5 o'clock, supper is ready. And see that the letters are delivered. Pay attention to the instructions being given by Bassanio. The first instruction is that supper should be ready by 5 o'clock. The letters should be delivered. Put the liveries to making. See that the uniforms are given to the tailor to be made. And desire Graciano to come anon to my lodging. And desire means tell Graciano to come immediately to my house. And so Leonardo goes. He listens to all these informations that he has to do and he leaves. Then Lancelot tells his father, "Father, go to him." Gobbo goes and says, "Bless your worship," means he addresses him respectively. Addresses whom? Addresses Bassanio. Then Bassanio says, "Gramercy." Gramercy means thank you. "Wouldst thou aught with me? What do you want from me? Would you like something from me?" Then Gobbo says, "This is my son, sir. He is a poor boy." Then Launcelot says, "Not a poor boy, sir, but the rich Jew's man. I am the servant of a rich Jew. And that would, sir, as my father shall specify. My father shall tell you everything." Then Gobbo says, "He has a great infection." Infection is wrong, children. As it is, Gobbo wants to say affection. He cannot say affection and he is saying infection. He says, "My son has great affection, sir," as one would say he wants to serve. Again Launcelot interrupts and says, "Sir, the short and the long, that means the gist of everything is, I used to serve the Jew and I have a desire now. And the desire my father will tell you." So Gobbo again says that his master and he, that is Shylock and Launcelot, saving your verses, worships reverence. Saving your worships reverence means, "Sir, we apologize to you with respect to you." We want to say that, what does Gobbo want to say? That Shylock and Launcelot are scarce cater cousins, that they are not putting on well along. They are not very good friends. Rather, they are not moving along smoothly with each other. Again, Launcelot interferes, saying, "To be brief, the truth is that the Jew has done me wrong, and he is causing me wrong now also. As my father, being I hope he is an old man, and he shall fructify. He shall tell you exactly." Then remember, children, Gobbo had told that he has brought a gift for Shylock. Then Launcelot had told him, "You better give that gift to Bassanio." So Gobbo says, "I have here a dish of doves." What has he brought? A dish of doves. Dove is a bird that I would bestow, I would give to you. And my request is, suit means request is. Launcelot says, in very brief, the suit is impertinent. Impertinent means relevant. The suit is relevant to me, as your worship shall know. by this honest old man, and though I say it, though old man, yet poor man, my father will speak to you. Now Bassanio gets angry and he says, listen, one of you speak for both. What would you? What do you want to say? Lancelot says, sir, I want to serve you. And then Gobbo says, that is the very defect. Defect actually means effect, means conclusion. This is the conclusion, that my son wants to serve you. Bassanio says, fine, I know you. Thou hast obtained thy suit. Your request has been granted. Shylock, your master, spoke to me today, and he has preferred thee. Preferred thee means he has recommended you, said good about you. If it be preferment, if you prefer to leave a rich Jew's service, if you yourself want to leave the service of Shylock and to become the follower of a poor gentleman as Bassanio, I don't have any problem. Launcelot says, sir, there is an old proverb, and that old proverb has been very nicely divided between my master Shylock and you. Sir, you have the grace of God. You have the grace of God, the blessings of the Lord. And Shylock has only possessions, only money. You may be poor, but you have the blessings of God. Now, Bassanio says, thou speakest it well. You speak very nicely. Go, father, you go with your son, and you take leave, take permission from your old master, and then inquire, find out where my house is. And to his followers, Bassanio says, give him a livery, give him his uniform, more guarded, more decorated, having more ornamental stripes on it than the other servers, and see that this is done. So Bassanio is ready to take Launcelot as his servant, provided he takes leave from Shylock. Children, here I come to the end of line 163. In the next video, I will be uploading more. Thank you, children.